I think it's tough when they drag neurotoxin on the internet for someone getting a ptosis. It doesn't mean you have a bad injector. It doesn't mean that they did something wrong or that Botox is bad for you. It's just, unfortunately, there's the potential for certain side effects to happen. Although we do our best for them to not, it's always the possibility. You guys take over-the-counter Tylenol, ibuprofen, Tums, all of it. It all has a risk on the back of it that's explained, but you don't see anybody banging down the door of Tylenol when they have whatever side effect they experience. And it's unfortunate for people to experience them. However, it's not impossible.